Understanding End-of-Life Choices. A guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore an important and sensitive topic, end-of-life choices. This term refers to decisions people make about the care they want to receive at the end of their lives. It's a topic that touches on ethics, personal beliefs, and legal rights. Our goal is to help you understand what this phrase means and why it's significant. Let's get started. End-of-life choices involve decisions about the medical care and treatments a person wishes to receive or not receive when they are facing a terminal illness or are near the end of their life. These choices can include preferences about life support, pain management, hospice care, and even where they prefer to spend their final days. Making end-of-life choices is crucial because it ensures that a person's preferences are respected and followed when they might not be able to communicate their wishes themselves. It can also relieve family members and loved ones from the burden of making these difficult decisions on behalf of the patient. 1. Education. Learning about the types of medical care and treatments available. 2. Communication. Discussing preferences with family members and healthcare providers. 3. Legal documentation. Completing advance directives, such as a living will or a durable power of attorney for healthcare, to legally record your wishes. End-of-life choices are deeply personal and can vary widely across different cultures and religions. It's important to consider one's own beliefs and values when making these decisions, and to respect the diverse perspectives others may have. We hope this video has shed some light on the concept of end-of-life choices and why it's a significant part of healthcare and personal planning. Remember, discussing and planning for end-of-life care is a step towards ensuring dignity, respect, and comfort in the final stages of life. Thank you for joining us, and we hope you found this information helpful.